Hello and welcome to this video in which I'm going to walk you through the different functionalities of FoodQloud Essentials. In this screen you can see that I am in the customer card. In the order listing subtab I am able to attach items to a customer to use them in the sales process. If I go to a sales order you can see the button available here, and if I click on it I will see the items that I have set up in the customer record. Next, I have the default inventory the status page, which is relevant to the extended inventory status functionality. This functionality can allow us to do things such as assigning default inventory status to items belonging to a certain group, so that every item we receive it will be automatically set to a status of our choice. We can show warning messages based on expiration dates, and we have things like a lot overview of the system where we can see all the lots and we can do certain actions, for example changing the status of the lots, or creating sublots. We can also use the expiration date to change the status automatically to an expire status, for example. Now I am in the customer card again. I am in the sales cost subtab. You can see that I have created a test sales cost for the customer bonus. We can set the GL debit account and the GL credit account. As you see in the line, we set a percentage or a flat rate, and this will be reflected in the sales order. For example, here we have a sales order with all the fields available that are used in our calculations, all of them coming from this record that is created based on all the sales costs applicable, coming for example from the customer record or from the item record, or both. In the next page I am in the tight packaging subtab of the item record. In here we can select a packaging item to be attached to this item, so that every time we will include this item, it will take this into account and automatically include the packaging item based on the proportions that we set up in the item record. Last, I am showing you now the external documents and vendor certificates functionality. I have here a purchase order that I'm ready to save. However, if I was to try so, if I go to the vendor card, I can see that I have an external document on this subtab which is going to block my purchase order if I try to save it, unless I make it available. We can also see that subtab here, and we indeed see that it's blocking my purchase order. If I was to save this PO, I wouldn't be able to. I will get this message, and I will only be able to do so if I check my documents available column. Now it will allow me to do so. Thank you for watching this video.